Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something quite different. So today we are going to be doing kind of like an unboxing slash first impression, beginning of a new journey. So basically, let me show you the box, okay? I purchased, this was back in November 2022. Was it November? Yeah, November 2022, but I haven't really gone deep into it. I haven't really madly taken the time to complete it, but I got this the lighting's so off, guys, one moment. Okay, so I got this kind of like eyelash tech whole kit from TATTI lashes. So basically I'm trying to train to become a lash tech. Life is what you make it. Now I'm really mostly doing it so I can do my own lashes because listen, I want to know how I can do my own lashes and look on fleek. You know me, I try to do everything myself because that's just the type of person I am. I'm independent, not because I want to be, because it's just who I am. So yeah, I thought to myself, if I qualify to be a lash tech, then I can do lashes, braids and weave on the side and just kind of have that as like a service I offer. But of course I just kind of want to build this skill. So I bought this last year. Was it November? Let's have a look. So this was in September last year and I haven't touched it. I think I did a little bit. I watched like a video, so as you can see I stuck the little lashes on the mannequin thing, but I haven't really fully gone into detail and gone through the box and everything. So I wanted to share that and just kind of do a little mini unboxing and let this be kind of like the first vlog of me trying to become a lash tech. So it's just kind of something I want to do on the side while I have a bit of time, because I do work part-time. So first things first, I'm going to go through with you the price and what I was sent, and then we're going to go through the box as well. So I paid, let's see, so I paid for the online fast track classic and Russian course, and that was £235. Oh my god. And I actually also got the Invisi lash kit, which is right here. So this is kind of like a fake, again guys, the lighting is kind of off, but yeah, so this is like kind of like a fake eyelash extension thing that you can just kind of like plop on, do your own little like individual lashes. But yeah, so the course, or the course basically comes with both classic lashes training videos and also Russian volume training videos. And I think once you're qualified for both of those skills, you can then do the hybrid lashes. Now I'm praying that there's no expiry date, because you know it was last year September, which I haven't done. But yeah, so I think what happens is, again, I don't want to show like the documents or anything like that because copyright, it's not fair. But on the email, once I paid for it, I got the classic training course intro / theory, classic training course practical, classic training manual, which is PDF, and then for the Russians I also got the Russian training course intro / theory, Russian training course practical, and Russian training manual PDF. Now the videos are actually on Vimeo, so obviously once you actually get the link, you train, like you watch the videos, you train, you practice, and you can obviously access the content from the link that they give you, which is via Vimeo. And yeah, so they originally sent me the links as soon as I paid for it. Then I remember it took about 3 to 4 days for like the actual training boxes to come through. And I believe in the introduction video they actually go through what everything is, so I need to watch that again because I do remember watching it, but it was last year and life has happened, or life has been lifing, so I don't remember any of that. Okay, yeah, so the PDF, at least for the classic, is about a 32-page document, and it goes into detail about everything: hygiene, infection control, everything. Pre-COVID, I think this, obviously they created the they either created or updated the course to work with COVID restrictions and whatnot. It was about the anatomy. It like fully goes into detail about everything. So yeah, and it comes with like an actual client form, so any client that you do, you know, they can fill out their details just in case an emergency or something happens, you won't be held liable. So I kind of want to go in and share with you guys everything that's in the box. So if you are considering doing this, then you know exactly what you're going to get. So the first thing we've got is obviously this mannequin. As you can see, I already kind of like practiced a little bit. So this is like the pads that you put underneath the eyes. Then this is like the practice lashes, and then you kind of plop all the single lashes on top. So this is the mannequin, and then it comes with like a little hole here, which I think you can like put onto like maybe a tripod or something. I'm not sure. Again, I'm not a lash tech. I don't know any of this terminology. This is someone who is literally just buying the course so I can learn and become, you know, professional, whatever. Because, you know, I've done so many videos where I'm talking about how you can make money and blah blah blah. I'll be wanting to do the same thing. I'm not just, you know, saying, oh, you should be a lash tech, you should do this. I'm also trying to do the same. So I'm just like you guys. So came with a mannequin, that's that. And then it also came with these iPads, like under iPads, I believe they're called. It just looks like this. And it actually came with 4, but obviously as you can see on that mannequin, I already used one. So it just looks like this. So they are eye gel patches for eyelash extension. So came with 4. It also comes with this tape. So as you can see, you use this tape to obviously, when you're putting the eye patches, you use the tape to stick. And I remember when I've gotten my eyelashes, the very few times that I've got my eyelashes done, they sometimes, when they're trying to get that little spot, they'll put a little bit of tape on like your eyelid area as well. So got that tape as well, came in a box. It also comes with these eyelashes, which is used to put on a mannequin, so then you can actually isolate the lashes and put more lashes on top. So I've obviously used one of those on the mannequin as well. And then it came with tweezers. So I've actually I've opened 2 of them. I haven't opened one of them. So I believe this one, let me find out which is which. Okay, so this one is the isolation one, gold edition. So this is used when you're trying to isolate the lashes and stick each tiny little lash onto the lashes, if that makes sense. Because with eyelash extensions, you gotta like proper isolate, like shoop shoop plop, shoop shoop plop. So yeah, this is one of the isolation tweezers. I want to see what the other one is. As you can see with the isolation tweezers as well, there's like a slant and it's very sharp. Like you could really like poke, it would hurt. Like even just poking my hand, that hurts. So the isolation tweezers, just to know, I think it always has a slant. And then there is the classic one, gold edition. I think this is just kind of maybe like all the normal classic lashes. So if you're not isolating, you just use this, I believe. Don't quote me though, because I don't know. Okay, but the classic gold ones just look like this. And then we also have the Russian volume ones, and they've got a kind of different style, kind of similar to the isolation one, but a bit shorter. It just has more of like a position tip, but yeah, so it's slanted. Obviously I'm not going to open it now, but actually, why not? Let me open it for you guys. Let's open this up. So this is the Russian volume tweezers, as you can see. Ooh, okay, so they just kind of looks like this. So I'm assuming you're able to like plot the lashes on when you're trying to create that Russian high volume aesthetic. I can't believe it's taken me this long just to even do this unboxing video and actually take this seriously. I just thought I would like qualify this summer because I've got the time. Oh, and I love these spoolies. Like when I get my lashes done, I've only got my lashes, okay, no, I've got my lashes done with 2 different type of lash techs a few times, and one of them has these. She has these spoolies, and she always gives me one, and I'm always like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. But I love it. It's just like gold, and then it has like the pink tip, so very cute. Obviously, it'll be used to like brush the lashes. Probably would give your client one to take so that they can continue to brush the lashes up and just maintain that aesthetic. Now, I do not know what this is. I have no idea what this is. I really do not know. So I actually, let me see. I printed out the manual last year and I kept it in a box, thank God, because that was actually very smart of me to do that. But I don't know, I think this is just a Russian volume, or was that both of them? I think that's only for the Russians. I only think I printed out the Russian volume. But yeah, I was just trying to find out what this is. I don't know what this is at all. Can someone tell me what this is, please? Because I have no idea what this is. Maybe if I'm editing and I find it out, I'll like plop it into the screen, but right now I have no idea. Now I have seen this. I know that this is used to put their glue. So the type of glue that they use, you put it in here, and then I think you can use one of these as well as a glue holder. So when you're dabbing the tiny little glue, or maybe you're fanning, like you're creating the lash fan, then you can use this to like put the glue in there. And then obviously this is the glue which I've already opened up. So there's this Lash Addict and it is eyelash adhesive. Let's open this up. I can't open it. There you go. So it just looks like this. I won't open it just because I don't want it to like run dry. But I think I've used a bit of this before, but it's just like eyelash adhesive. Usually takes 1 to 2 seconds to dry. And this is a 10 milliliter bottle. We have the cream eyelash extension remover. So this would obviously be used to remove the eyelashes. So this is another one of the eye gel pads or patches. And then we have a bunch of lashes. Yeah. So we have the Russian volume pack. It just looks like this. Look at these. And I think it's got like different letters. So it's got like so it's got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think there's like different curls. I don't know if this is the C curl or the D curl, but this is what you use to create like lash fans. So like basically you join like 3 or 4, 5 individual type of lashes, stick them together, and that's like one lash you can stick on the client's lashes. So that's the Russians. These are the Blossom Easy Fan Lashes. Just looks like this, as you can see. Again, has different styles. Again, we have another Russian volume lash. Look like this, same as the first one. Then we have the classic lashes. Okay, so I think I actually ripped one of them like off, so like one of them's come off, because you can rip that and put that on your hand to like create the fans as well. But this is how the classic lashes look like, quite small and miniature. And yeah, it has obviously all the different numbers, and I think the majority of them, oh, I don't want to get them messed up. Then we have the pre-fanned Russian volumes, and these are the 3D pre-fanned. So I think these are already created. Yeah, look at that. So that's already been stuck together. So you just use that to stick on and build. I think with Russian volumes you can use both this and the classics to create like the ultimate, or maybe that's the hybrid, I'm not sure. I'm not very sure. And then again we have another one of the classic lashes that you can use to create your own little fan. So guys, that's basically everything inside the box. As I said before, that this comes as well with the PDF, so it comes with the actual training course, so videos, and then it comes with a PDF manual. And I think once you're qualified, you have to send the email that they give you like 2 of the videos of you actually doing the lash, the technique, and if it's of standard, they'll qualify you and you get like a certificate. Now I know Tatti Lashes has an in-person training event that you can do for like 1 day, but I just thought I would do it online, and I know it's made me procrastinate. Like it's taken me so much time even just to do this unboxing video and like get it done. But I do kind of like the flexibility that you can just kind of do it whenever you are free and available, because you know, now that I've sorted out my life and I'm at a position where I know how to balance my time to do the course and become a certified lash tech, it just kind of makes sense to do it right now. And I can vlog the process. It's so easy to vlog the process. You guys can see me doing the learning process and everything. So I am super excited. I hope this video was informative. This is obviously just kind of like the first episode, the introductory vlog to this whole journey, because you know I love vlogging my journey and experience through entrepreneurship, building skills, just being that girl. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned for more of my journey on becoming a lash tech and just an overall beauty enthusiast. So probably in the next vlog we're going to be focusing on the theory, we're going to be learning, we're going to be watching the videos, making notes. I'm going to get my notebook. We're just going to do a lot of like learning, and I'll just probably vlog all of that. But for this episode I really just wanted to do the unboxing and share with you guys exactly what's inside of this beautiful pink box. I guys will see you in the next episode. Bye.